Today I'm taking you to a little hidden treasure on the Somerset coast, Sand Bay. It's just a few minutes drive from Weston-super-Mare, but trust me, it feels like a world away from the hustle and bustle. There's parking right by the beach. It's around £3 to £5 for the whole day, and there were toilets nearby too. But bring a 20p coin with you, they're old school. You'll find a few little cafes and snack huts along the beach road where you can grab an ice cream, a cuppa, or even a bacon bap. Take a walk up towards Sand Point. That's a National Trust area. The views from the top are incredible. You can actually see all the way across the Bristol Channel to South Wales on a very clear day. You know, there's something so grounding about walking along these coastal cliffs with nothing but wind, waves and birdsong in the background. As soon as you arrive, the first thing you'll notice is just how peaceful it is. No arcades, no big seafront crowds, just this long, sandy and shingle beach that stretches out in both directions. You've got the sea on one side and these big rolling dunes and fields on the other. It's the kind of place where you can just breathe. One thing for all the dog lovers and dog owners, this place is fully dog friendly. You'll see loads of happy pups running off lead and splashing in the water. It's totally relaxed all year round, not like other places where you get summer bans. And if you're into horse riding, you'll probably spot a few riders down along the tide line too. If you're looking for a more classic beach resort vibe, Sand Bay probably isn't it. There's no pier, no candy floss stands. It's all about nature, calm and simplicity. If you're after somewhere to switch off, go for a coastal walk, enjoy a peaceful picnic or let the dog run wild, Sand Bay is a total win. It's not flashy, but that's what makes it feel special. Thanks for coming along with me, and if you're planning a visit, pack a flask, bring a blanket, and let the sea do the rest. And I'll catch up with you next time.
Please like, subscribe and share to this channel, and click the bell to get notifications of new content.